Somewhere in Crewe, England, a single stitch is placed, then another. This factory has built the world's most extraordinary automobiles for over 75 years. 300,000 pounds, hundreds of hours, zero machines doing what only human hands can. Today, we go inside. Inside these walls, 4,000 skilled artisans report to work every single day. Each one carries a craft passed down through generations. It begins as raw aluminium, thousands of panels precisely formed, the skeleton of a Bentley. Even here, where robots assist, human eyes verify every single weld. Bentley tolerates nothing less than perfection. Before a single layer of color touches the body, the surface is hand-sanded for hours. No machine can feel what human fingertips can. Mulliner paint. It can take up to 17 coats to achieve this depth, this color, this perfection. The finish must be flawless. A mirror. A reflection of the obsession that built it. The leather suite of a Bentley begins here. Only the finest hides, selected by hand, make it through. Each hide is inspected by an expert eye. A single scar, a single blemish, and it goes back. Bentley hides are rejected at a rate that would shock you. Each piece is hand-cut to a template refined over decades. Not a millimeter of waste. Not a centimetry of compromise.
Diamond quilting. Each stitch placed with intention. There are over 2,000 individual stitches in a single Bentley headrest alone.
A Bentley steering wheel takes 15 hours to complete. 15 hours. For one component. That is the Bentley standard.
Wood veneers. Real, natural, cut from trees that have lived for decades. Bentley uses some of the rarest timber on earth.
No two pieces of burr walnut are ever the same. The grain you see inside your Bentley exists nowhere else on earth. Book-matched veneers. The grain must mirror perfectly across every panel in the cabin. It takes years of training to achieve this by eye. 8 layers of lacquer, sanded between each coat. The result? A surface that defies what wood should look like.
The same engineer who assembles your Bentley engine signs it. Their name, their pride, their guarantee. The same engineer who assembles your Bentley engine signs it. Their name, their pride, their guarantee. And then, the moment. The engine meets the body. Hundreds of hours of craft, becoming one.
The interior arrives as one completed unit. Hundreds of individual components, assembled offline, then the details, every single one. The clock, the badge, tread plate, the emblem. In a Bentley, every detail is the hero.
And then there is Mulliner, Bentley's most secret atelier, where the impossible becomes your personal commission.
Portraits in oil on the headliner, meteorite inlaid into the dashboard, your family crest embroidered on the headrests. If you can imagine it, Mulliner can build it. Porcupine quill marquetry. Each quill placed by hand. One panel can take a single craftsman targets weeks.
Assembly takes 130 hours per car. The line moves at a pace set by human hands, not by machine efficiency.
The door shut, the sound of quality. Bentley engineers measure it in decibels. It must sound exactly right, every single time. Every Bentley is subjected to simulated tropical rain, 400 liters per minute. Not a single drop must enter the cabin. Before delivery, every single Bentley is driven, not on a dyno, on a real road, by a real driver, miles of real validation. The first start, the moment a Bentley is born. The engine fires pleaf, and something extraordinary breathes for the very first time. The wheels are dynamically balanced to tolerances measured in grams. A car that drives as perfectly as it looks. The glass, sourced to Bentley's own specification, optically perfect. Heated, acoustic dampened, the outside world meets your world on Bentley's terms.
The rotating display, screen, gauges, veneer, pure technology, pure luxury, and assembled by hand.
Look at that color. Viridian. It is not just a color, it is a story.
These people, they are Bentley. Not the machines, not the factory, the people. Their craft is living heritage.
The pre-delivery polish, the last human touch before a Bentley meets its owner. Every car polished, homemed by hand, to absolute perfection.
And then, daylight. For the first time. A car that began as raw aluminium and 130 hours of craft, moving through space, at speed, in silence, in absolute luxury.
Inside, this is where those 130 hours live, in every stitch, every grain, every perfectly placed millimeter of Bentley. The numbers behind the legend. Not marketing numbers, real numbers. The numbers of genuine, human obsession. 70 years separate these two images. The tools have evolved. The commitment has never changed. Long after this video ends, someone in Crewe will be placing a stitch, turning a torque wrench, inspecting a panel, building a dream. From Le Mans to living legends, every great Bentley was built the same way, by the same rare breed of human being.
Which scene moved you the most? The first stitch or the first start of that W12? Tell us in the comments, and like this video if Bentley just raised your standards. This is Bentley, the world's most extraordinary hand-built automobile. And somewhere in Crewe, the next one is being born right now. If you found this world as extraordinary as we do, welcome. You are exactly who Industrial Vista was made for. Subscribe to Industrial Vista and turn on the bell so you never miss another world inside one of the planet's most extraordinary places. Industrial Vista, where the world's rarest craftsmanship comes to life. See you inside the next factory.